So one of the main concerns we have regarding roof cleaning is what is it? And the easiest way to explain it is it's just black algae. The technical term is glowy caps of magma, that's the name for it, and it grows and feeds upon the limestone fillers that are within your shingles. Now over time, that microscopic root structure is actually going to grow behind the granules and start to pop them off one by one until it hits the point where you're left with just complete bare spots that might cause roof leaks and everything else. So the easiest way to go ahead and rectify that is to have a routine roof soft wash conducted, and I'd love to be the one that does it for you. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and apply a soft wash solution to the entire roof and coat everything down. That's going to go ahead and kill and neutralize any of that black algae that's there. It's also going to kill any kind of mold or moss or lichens that also might be there. That will actually grow within the bed of the black algae itself. So once you start to have moss and lichen growth, the glowy caps of magma has been there for a while. Now, whenever we apply that solution, it's basically going to instantly kill and neutralize all of that organic growth. We're going to allow it to die off. We're going to follow it with a low pressure rinse just from your standard garden hose, and that's going to go ahead and flush all that dead organic material off. Now, heavy areas where it's needed, we're going to apply a second coat of the solution, and we're going to allow that to just basically sit on the roof once we leave. So because of that, after a heavy rain, you might see it start to sud up, and that's just the solution starting to reactivate and continuing to clean. So every time we have a heavy rain, it's going to continue to flush and your roof's going to get cleaner and cleaner every time. Now, in addition to that, and us being licensed and insured, we're going to go ahead and take the ultimate protection we can for everything on your property. We're going to pre-water any kind of landscaping or vegetation you might have. We're going to go ahead and flood any downspouts where any runoff would occur. We're going to cover any sensitive landscaping with a vapor barrier so it's protected, and we're going to go ahead and give it a neutralizing rinse after we're finished in that area. Now, for a roof wash as a baseline, you're looking at about $450 for a very, very small house with very minimal growth that might not have any landscaping that needs special protection, or it might have a gutter system. Your prices are going to go up from there based upon all the variables that were kind of mentioned a minute ago. But regardless, quotes are free. I'd love to see what I could do for you. You can just click that button down there and get a quote, and look forward to hearing from you.